A faster reader tutorial. Copy text from a note. Go to your Notes program and select one. Copy the text on your clipboard and then go open a faster reader. Select the option Read copied content and read your note easily. Copy text from a PDF. Go to your PDF application, for example, iBooks. Select a PDF and copy the text you want to read in your clipboard. Open a faster reader and select the option Read copied content to read your PDF. Copy text from a web. Go to a website you want to read and copy the web text on your clipboard. Open a faster reader and select the option Read copied content. In the example, we're reading the website at 300 words per minute and without stopping on punctuation. Use the Faster Reader Bookmarklet. Go to a website you want to read on the Safari browser. Open your bookmarks and select the bookmarklet Read with a faster reader. A faster reader will open and you will read the website. You can learn how to easily create this bookmarklet on our video, A Faster Reader Bookmarklet Installation Guide.